What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new rebuild. We got a 2015 Dodge Charger. Yes, sadly it's a V6, but it's a quick, easy fix that we're gonna do just to flip it, just to keep the funds going, you know, for exclusive rebuilds, so we can fund different projects and stuff like that. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and I'm gonna show y'all around real quick. Y'all can check it out, see the interior, see the damage and all that. So let's get to it. Alright guys, I want to talk to y'all about the damage a little right here. It does have like a little, the bracket on the reinforcement, I guess it's part of the frame rail. Right here you can't really see it, but it's bent a little, so that's going to be straightened out on the frame. And then right here, the apron has a little, I guess, pushed back, so we're going to straighten that out. The hood, we're going to fix it. It has a dent right here, and right here it's dented as well. So that's going to be replaced because it's an aluminum hood and I don't want to spend a lot of money on this car because we're just reselling it. And then it has a little crease right here, which we can pull it out this way. But the radiator support's busted, the reinforcement's busted, bumper, of course, the fender was missing when we bought the car. And I think there's some kind of parts in the trunk. So in the meantime, let's go check it out real quick in the trunk, see what parts we have, and then we can go ahead and disassemble it and see what parts we need to order and go ahead and place the order on that. Okay, so here's the underneath the bumper cover. Oh, fog light. I mean the fog light bezel. I believe that's it. Oh, one more thing, guys. It has Beats surround system on it, which is awesome. It sounds amazing. It has the subwoofer here, and then I don't know if y'all seen, we recorded the door panels. On the door panels, it has the Beats as well, the logo. So it's pretty nice. But yeah, let's go ahead and see. We got one portion of the fender liner. The fog light's busted, it's cracked. Yeah, tabs are broken. Headlight's destroyed. And we got another portion of the fender liner. And then that's it. These are the little plastics. So yeah, I guess we know pretty much what we need to order. So yeah, in the meantime, let's go ahead, go to the front and just disassemble the front end. Good job. Huh?
Я снимаю, мне нельзя работать.
We don't need that right now. Guys, so the bumper was barely even holding. It just had one clip and this cover popped out. But yeah, that's it on the bumper. It's just literally just hanging loose. But I'm sure we can use some of the parts off of this one, like the lower grill, the side fog light. I think this grill is shot. Yeah, it's broken right there, so we gotta get an upper grill. Yeah, this radiator support cover is busted as well. But that's it on this. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the upper radiator support off. And then I guess we can go ahead and put it on the frame machine, I guess, and see. Probably pull out the whole reinforcement and all that out. So let's get started.
It was low on blinker fluid.
Probably not. Cause look, this literally is like straight, probably a little more tweaking. Look at that.
Alright, there you go.
The only thing I'll need frame is for that piece right here. Definitely need.
Just bite it.
Bite it. But yeah, guys, as you can see, it's very easy fix. This is where I was talking about that it's gonna need frame. So if you can look right here, now we took the radiator support. See these tabs? It was just bent in, so we can straighten them out and just line up the reinforcement with it. So yeah, that's it. Let's go ahead, I guess, and put it on the frame machine. Strap it down and pull this side out so we can unbolt it and start putting the new parts on.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Alright guys, so I went ahead and chained down the car, chained it to the frame. We're going to go ahead and pull this out a little, get everything released, take out the windshield tank and pull this one out. And that's going to be probably a wrap for the video until the parts start coming in. Then we can test fit it, but it's still going to stay on the frame machine. So let's go ahead and start and get this out the way. Alright guys, so we got the hood somewhat straightened out. I didn't want to do it too much because I don't know how it's going to line up with the bumper. Once I get that on in the fender, then we'll be able to straighten it out completely to its specs and line everything up. But for now, got most of it done. But yeah guys, that's going to be it for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed. Turn on your post notifications. Follow us on Instagram at Exclusive Rebuilds. We post there daily. So thank you for watching. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.
Somebody's got one. Somebody's got